At Northwest Pipe Company, laborers play an important role in supporting the production of engineered steel water pipe at our manufacturing plants. They work with various tools, machines, and equipment and operate forklifts to move pipe, all while following proper safety protocol. Laborers assist with housekeeping efforts, including sweeping and shoveling, as well as inspecting and cleaning machines. In this role, employees gain experience in operations across departments. They inspect and clean pipe prior to lining and coating, apply coating by machine or hand application, and work with others to solve problems. Work is normally performed under supervision until tasks become more routine. As laborers progress in their role, they may be assigned more difficult tasks with greater responsibilities. Many of our supervisors began their careers as laborers and advanced into new roles as they gained skills and experience. Northwest Pipe Company is an equal opportunity employer, and we're committed to promoting and valuing diversity and inclusion as we continue to grow our team. The work we do is hard but satisfying and comes with excellent benefits, long-term security, and opportunities to grow. Ready to get to work?